Good morning. My name's Mike, and welcome to my channel. This is episode 1, volume 1, 111, whatever you want to call it. Anyhow, I decided I'm going to do a video vlog of my life here on the farm. It's a pretty boring place, except, I don't know, it's falling apart, and I'm just rebuilding the place from the tearing down and rebuilding. Same thing with my life. I mean, I'm getting up there in age, and it's time to do something. Either get off the pot or shit or get off the pot, as they say. But, yeah, I'll give it a try. What the hell? What do I got to lose? But, anyhow, a little something to jumpstart my day. Besides, my aspirin and Tylenol to get my bones going. And, yep, I'm, just one of those guys. So we'll see, we will see what works and what doesn't. Yesterday I was out cleaning out the billy pen, and don't have video of it, but when I went to move the his house that I built 10 years ago, well, it fell apart. So it's on the pile. It's gonna get burned this winter. Put out a porta hut. Little Corona there, yeah, right. Put out a porta hut for now, so they got a place where they could get out of the weather. Today's project is we're going to be taking some cable reels and cutting them up, adding tin to them, and making shelters for the goats for the winter. And I have in the pipe, let's see, 20 doelings coming in, and 2 billies from Montana, so to add to the herd. So that's going to bring my herd up to about 44, 45 does and doelings and 3 billies. My ultimate goal is to get myself up to 150 does. That'd be second year coming, and then have another 75 or so, 50, 75 doelings in the pipe too, so that would put it at about 200, 225. That's about 2 years out, and at that point I will be installing breeding stock. So just hang on for the adventure, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But right now I have no breeding stock to sell at all, except for if anyone's looking for billies. But and yes, of course, my goats are Spanish. They come out of Montana. Yvonne Tucker's Zed. Anyhow, Smoke Ridge goats out of Choteau, Montana. And really nice lady. And we've been friends for years, and kind of a mentor, and everything else for this. And her husband Craig is retired now, so he's doing the goats full bore, and yeah. Anywho, we're just gonna keep going here and see what happens. Just bear with me. I'm new at this, so be gentle on the comments, and I hope you enjoyed the show. And my time, I'm gonna try to keep the time frame anywhere from 8 to not over 20 minutes, because I know YouTube gets kind of boring after 20 minutes. It's like, who wants to stick out this long and eat up your hours if you don't have Wi-Fi like me, like myself? So anyhow, hang on for the show and hang on for the ride, and it's gonna be interesting, boring, and everything else in between. And I'm still trying to think up a name for my farm, so I'm not going to use the name my dad had for the place, because, yeah, we've been here for almost 60 years on the same property, and time for a change up. Anyhow, thank you for your time, and let's go for the show. Good day.